What's up, YouTube? Back here again with another video, and today I just figured I would check in since I kind of had to do some I had to do a couple changes in Butterflight here, so I figured I might as well. I had a question on my Butterflight setup, so I figured I'd show it and we can go from there. So I'm running the newest release candidate, or at the time when I did this, I guess it was RC. Yeah, RC9. So I'm running RC9. Okay. Now with RC9, from all the stuff I was able to read, you don't have to do like the separate IMU thing, whatever in the CLI or all that other stuff. It should all update through that RC9, and you should be good to go. So my setup is super basic. I didn't do much of anything too crazy here. So this is also, it's a Helio Spring FC. So what I need to do here, when I need to change, is I had a tramp on there, but I was having some problems, and I think I figured out what the problem was. I had it on regulator on the PDB. I think that was causing me some problems. Then I also had tramp selected here, but I'll show you in a second what I think the problem actually was. So I need to change this back to tramp. So if you have the Helio Spring, you can see that UART5 is going to be, well, it's really where you put it, but I have it on UART5. I had my my run cam control on 1, but it actually didn't work. I got into the menu. I have a Foxier Predator Mini on there, and it didn't actually work right, so whatever. I know that's a crapshoot these days. I did have it working with a run cam Eagle, so it works with that. But anyway, UART2 is your serial RX, and then I think I have Smart Port on 3, but I don't even think that's right. I'm not exactly sure about that either, but I have telemetry coming through. That's really all I need. I mean, RSSI coming through correctly. It's really all I need. It's all I use. I just make sure I got my RSSI, and then my voltage and everything comes through on, through the receiver, because it's an RXSR. Alright, so that's ports. Now in my configuration, I run my props in reverse, and I'm running D-Shot 600 because it's the BLHeli S ESC. Now, if you're running D-Shot 600, you're not going to be able to run 3232. Alright, so I have it running 3216. I keep my accelerometer on just because I have the arming angle, so I can arm it at any angle. Craft name. S-Bus, obviously, because that's what I'm running. Telemetry. I run air mode always on. OSD, obviously, anti-gravity. Now, right here is where I think I was having my problem with my tramp, because I had this selected on, and I actually don't need that, and it was making the tramp free. Well, the tramp was freezing. So now that I have this unselected and I have the other one selected right, I'll go back and check that and see if that makes a difference. I got D-Shot beeper on, and then I don't run an external beeper, so none of this crap really matters. That's all your beeper configuration stuff. Pick what you want. So we change that. Let's save that. And that's pretty much it. I mean, it's super simple as far as your configuration and your ports and stuff. Let's go to power and battery. Now I have onboard ADC for both, because I do have a current line that runs out of the PDB, but unfortunately it doesn't. It's like way off. It was reading 30 amps, and it just wasn't right. So I don't even have. I have it selected, but I'm not even really using it on the OSD because it's just wrong, and I'm not sure how to fix it. It's not just like a simple calibration down here where you change this and you can get it calibrated. And it's not counting correctly. It's stuck at 30 amps, and it runs, the milliamp hour runs like 3 times faster than, when I'm done, it says I've used, on a 1300 pack, it says I used 3000 milliamp hours, so it's way off. And like I said, the amps aren't, I tried to calibrate it, it didn't work, so whatever, we're just not using that for now. I have a 4-in-1 ESC on my other build, and that one does work, but the PDB that I'm using that had a current line output does not work. So here is my PID screen. PIDs are tweaked just a little bit. My rates, that's how I roll. Set point weight. You can see everything. Anti-gravity 3, I think that was stock. Pretty much all this other stuff is stock. Filter settings, this stuff is all stock. Leave all this alone. And I'm getting a pretty good flight characteristic with all that good stuff. Let's see, receiver, I'm running an XSR, so you know, just standard stuff there. I run my Tyrannus in the AETR, not the TAER. It's just easier for me. My modes, I got an arm, angle I have on there just because I just always have. I don't even use it anymore. It's probably ready to come off. Beeper. I flip over after crash on aux 3, and that is literally it. That's all we got. That's all I use. So when I start it, the you know, comes up in air mode because if you have like air mode's always on. So if you don't have it in a specific mode selected here, it'll be just in air mode, and then it's beeper air mode, and then angle on aux 2, aux 1 just arms, and then aux 3 in the center is the flip over. So that's all we need there. Nothing there. And then I'll show you my OSD layout. You can see it's pretty simple. Got my name up at the top, my mode, throttle position is right here. I've been starting to fly with that, just something different, the piece of information. Voltage, the warnings will be down here, disarmed there, and my timer. So really all you need, I need is my voltage and my timer. That's really it. And then I put the name up there just so I know what I'm looking at on my OSD, or my DVR. So that's it for that. And I mean, that's it. That's pretty much all it is. It's pretty stock. Just tweak some things here and there. You know, if you're familiar with Betaflight, this shouldn't be any problem as far as like getting a basic setup. Now I still haven't, I need to do some more research and kind of understand what, like down over here in the PID, like, you know, exactly what effect all the, you know, moving these numbers around are going to do. Like I said, it flies pretty well, so right now I'm kind of not on a rush to do that. But I do like to understand what I'm using and what I'm messing with. So there you go. That's my basic setup. Now, the other point to this video, I just want to do also a little reminder. Okay. If we just go down here, put this guy in here to see if something cool to look at. This is my Butterflight build. Flying these butter whisk motors. Alright, I got some Dow Cyclone 5040s, Helio spring, there's a tramp mount in there, Axie antenna, DYS XSD 30As or whatever they are, got the GoPro and a Predator Mini, which is like my favorite camera right now, and the XSR back here. There you go. So I got some video coming in this soon. I did some pretty good flying, but of course I had my buttons backwards, so I was recording when I didn't want to record. Anyway, that's GoPro problems. But also, reminder, listen, I got 2 giveaways going, okay? We got 1 giveaway for the t-shirt. Alright. So, giving away a t-shirt with my logo on it. The card will come up in the corner, probably now, or has already. I'll make the card come up. So I'm giving away a t-shirt, card here, go over there, get the rules, figure out how to enter for that. And also, which many people probably don't even know, I'm giving away a full quad, okay? When I hit 1,000 subscribers, this quad will be given away. There's a video specific to this. Again, card will now come up here. So if you want to win yourself a full 4-inch quad, okay, this is a 4-inch quad. Alright, 4-inch quad with some props. This will be a plug and play, so you will have to use, originally I had it as a ready to fly, but that receiver has since been used and now doesn't work, so whatever. You're going to get a plug and play, just put a receiver in this guy and it'll be good to go. It's a Betaflight F3 with some drone drop BO Heli 32 ESCs, a Mach 1 VTX, some Racer Star motors, 20, I think these are 2305, 2600 kV. Again, they're not the best, but they work, and a Monster V1 camera. Alright. 4-inch, you know, I got a little pagoda back here, top mount, and you can probably do bottom mount if you really wanted to, but I got this set up for top mount. So there you go. free quad. I'm giving away a full plug and play, ready to go. This will be on Butterflight 3.3 with all the good, you know, most of the important features will be on there. It doesn't have smart control because the DTX doesn't have it, but whatever, you get the point. So there you go, I'm giving away a full quad. Again, hopefully you clicked on that. Links will also be in the description. So check out this video giveaway and check out the giveaway for the t-shirt. Head over there, get me to 1,000 subs so I can give this quad away. I'm tired of, I've been having this, I just want to get rid of it. I just keep wanting to fly it, but I don't want to fly it to break it. So I want to give it to somebody so somebody can get some flying in on it, all right? There you go. 2 giveaways, check them out. That's my Butterflight setup. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.